back with another video, and today we are going to be doing Blue Lotus Bath Salt Milk Soak. Okay, so what we are going to do, as you can see, I already have in my Epsom salt, and I had 2 cups of Epsom salt. I already got that out the way. Okay, so what we are going to do now is we're going to go ahead and add in our Himalayan sea salt. Okay. Now, Himalayan sea salt, it helps to balance out the pH levels for muscle cramps, sleep, respiratory, and it's also good for vascular health. Okay, so I had 2 cups of the 2 cups of the Epsom salt, and for the Himalayan sea salt, I had 158 grams of Himalayan sea salt. Okay, so it's already been pre-measured. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're going to go ahead and add the milk. I got some coconut milk right here, coconut milk powder that I'm just going to add in. Okay, and this is very moisturizing, and it's great for vegans. Most people use goat milk or regular milk, but we are going to use coconut milk. And we had 36 grams of coconut milk that we added in. Okay, and so what we're going to add in now, I'm going to go ahead and add in the, anytime you're using essential oils, you need to dilute it. And so what I have in here is 15 grams of, 15 drops of Blue Lotus, and I have 15 drops of lavender, and I have 2 tablespoons of fractionated coconut oil. So we're just going to add that in here. You always want to dilute. I see a lot of people just adding in the essential oil, but you definitely want to dilute it with some kind of carrier oil. Okay, I just feel safer doing it that way because it can irritate the skin if you do not do that. Okay, so what we're going to do now, you see it's kind of wet, we're going to go ahead and add in some baking soda. And make sure it's good and incorporated in there. Get those chunks out and just mix it up. You got to get your hands in there. This smells so good. So good, you guys. And this is so relaxing. So relaxing. This is really good for the skin. It's hydrating. Lavender promotes relaxation. It's good for anxiety, fungal infections, allergies, insomnia. You will have some of the most restful sleep with this, okay? And we're also going to add in some citric acid, okay? Which will help to balance out and for the citric acid, we added in, how many grams of citric acid? 32 grams of citric acid to this. Okay, get that mixed in, make sure it's well incorporated. And the Blue Lotus also promotes sleep and anxiety. It's a natural aphrodisiac, which y'all know that because I talk about Blue Lotus all the time. And it's also great for dry skin. It's moisturizing as well as lavender. And now we're adding in the Lavender Buds. Okay, and now we're going to add in the star of the show, the Blue Lotus petals. And get that well incorporated. And you can also, to get this, you want to let it sit overnight. And if you don't let it sit overnight, you can put it in the oven about 200 degrees or 250 degrees. Or you can put it in a dehydrator, leave it in there just for a few minutes, and this will be the final product.